If you're looking for something reliable, quiet, and well-built that can keep thermals under control during heavy multitasking or light overclocking, the Thermaltake Toughair 510 is a standout option. It's more than capable for a processor like the Ryzen 7 5700G and supports CPUs with power draws up to 180 watts, so even if you upgrade down the line, you likely won't need to replace your cooler. This dual-fan air cooler from Thermaltake is all about performance. At the heart of the Toughair 510 are four 6mm thick copper heat pipes, which are nickel-plated. And instead of using a solid copper base, it relies on a heat pipe direct touch HDT design, where the heat pipes make direct contact with the CPU's heat spreader. This approach allows heat to transfer more efficiently from the CPU to the heatsink, especially for CPUs with lower power draw. Thanks to its sturdy heatsink and two high static pressure 120mm fans in a push-pull configuration, the Toughair 510 easily outperforms AMD's bundled Wraith Prism cooler. In fact, during 8-core workloads, it keeps a CPU like the Ryzen 7 5700G steady at around 65 degrees Celsius, with fan speeds hovering around 1650 RPM. In contrast, the Wraith Prism has to ramp up to 2600 RPM to maintain similar thermal conditions, resulting in more noticeable noise. Even compared to the simpler Wraith Spire, the Toughair 510 is quieter in every scenario, and with some fan profile adjustments, it can run whisper quiet under typical workloads. Moving on, the installation process is straightforward, thanks to its simple mounting system that supports AMD's AM4 socket right out of the box. One particularly useful feature is the ability to change the cooler's orientation based on your case's airflow, giving you the flexibility to optimize thermal performance without running into clearance issues. The cooler is also compact enough to fit in most mid-tower cases without interfering with RAM slots. As for the design, the CPU cooler is fairly minimalist. There's no flashy RGB lighting anywhere on this cooler. Instead, it features an industrial gray finish and a symmetrical look for a clean appearance. That might be a downside for RGB lovers, but for most people, performance and reliability probably matter more than aesthetics. All in all, the Thermaltake Toughair 510 is a solid pick for anyone looking for a cooler that outperforms AMD's stock options without breaking the bank. It might not be as powerful as some competing models in its price range, like the Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE, but it still holds its own in specific use cases. On top of that, highlights such as a better fit for mid-tower cases and an easy installation process make it a great choice for first-time builders. To sum up, what I like is the direct touch heat pipes improve heat transfer efficiency, the flexible mounting and easy installation, and the dual fan setup with good airflow and low noise levels. On the downside, there's no RGB or unique design features.